Hello, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Janice, 41 years old, from Palawan, Philippines. I am married, a mother of 2 kids. I am Catholic and I am a high school graduate. I worked before in Manila for 4 years and I served 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 elderly woman, 1 kid, a 10 years old girl, and a newborn baby, 5 months old. My duties and responsibilities was taking care of the kids, taking care of newborn baby, taking care of elderly. I am assessing what they needs, especially with the babies. Cleaning house, cooking, foods, laundry, washing car twice a week, washing dishes, gardening, and marketing. Sometimes I'm playing the kids and I teach them how to dance and sing. I'm also tutoring the homework and the baby also sing a song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I also work abroad in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 6 months, and I serve 5 members of the family, 3 adults and 2 children, ages 5 and 3 years old. My duties and responsibilities was taking care of the children, preparing and cooking their foods, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing clothes, washing dishes, gardening, marketing, and I assessing them what they need. I want to work in Hong Kong to give my family a better life and future. I hope you will find me suitable to work with your family, and I promise I'll do the best, and I'm honest, hardworking, and I follow the rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.